Okay, chapter 5 is all algebra. So this little video is going to be all about using letters as numbers. So I have some sentences here, and we are going to form some expressions, some numeric expressions. Okay, so the first one says add x to 6. Well, if you just thought about adding 4 to 6, you would know that that expression would look like 4 plus 6. Well, instead of a number, we're using a letter, x. So add x to 6 is just going to look like this. The second sentence says subtract 3 from y. You need to look at this word from. We are taking 3 from y. Well, so this expression is going to look like this. Y minus 3. Because we are taking 3 from y. The next one says find x more than 8. You need to think way back to like first, second grade to think of what more than means. So if we're finding x more than 8, your expression should say x plus 8, because more than, we think addition. Okay, you can also use letters as numbers when doing multiplication and division. It looks a little bit different though. Multiply 7 by b. So some of you might be thinking this, 7 times b. That is technically right. However, when we write these expressions, when we think of multiplication, we're not going to put this x in here because some people might think that is an actual letter that we're trying to solve for. So instead of putting the multiplication sign, it's going to look like this. Multiply 7 by b. You're going to put the whole number 7 right next to the letter b, 7b. Multiply 7 by b. Okay, moving to division, divide b by 5. So that is simply going to look like this, b divided by 5. Okay, look at this last one. They're kind of combining all the addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division. This one says multiply b by 6, then subtract 11. So we're going to start with this first bit of information that says multiply b by 6. Well, if you remember from up here, we're not going to put that multiplication sign in there. When we multiplied 7 by b, we had 7b. So down here, when we're multiplying b by 6, this should look like 6b. Now, even though the b came first here, you always want to put the whole number first before the letter. Okay, so multiply b by 6, done. Then subtract 11. Do exactly as it says. Multiply b by 6, 6b, then subtract 11, minus 11.